Hey there pranksters, welcome back to another epic gaming setup video. That's right, I will be showing you guys how I built a gaming setup in this empty space that you see right here. But first, let's get to the giveaways. Since I haven't done a full gaming setup video in weeks, I want to thank my fans for being patient with me. So let's head over to commentpicker.com and choose a winner for a box of RGB lights. Congratulations, Sarah Humphrey. You will be lighting up your room with these epic LEDs. Now let's see who will win a box of yummy snacks. Congrats Dylan Berra, you are the winner and will be getting a box of snacks. Later in this video, I will also be giving away a microphone to a couple Instagram followers. Now guys, as far as the like goals and giveaways for this video, listen up. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I will give away another box of RGB lights that will make any gaming room stand out. If this video gets 20,000 likes, I will give away a brand new PlayStation 5. And yeah, these are still hard to get these days. And lastly, if this video gets 50,000 likes, the winner will receive the exact same gaming setup that I'm about to build right now. So stick around to find out exactly what's up for grabs. To enter these giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below telling me what your dream gaming setup consists of. Remember that I also have giveaways going on Instagram, so give me a follow for a chance to win cool stuff just like these awesome kids. Lastly guys, I'd love it if my true fans checked out the Indiegogo link for the film that I recently participated in. It's called Prankster, and yes, it does star Nextraker along with an awesome cast of people. All support is appreciated. Alright, well with all that being said, let's get to building this epic gaming setup from scratch. So yeah guys, we will be building this setup from the ground up. Literally, as you can see, I cleared up this corner as it's where I'll put together this setup. First, I gotta give credit to Aukey Gaming as a lot of the accessories that you'll see right now came from them. For starters, let's get to building this Aukey professional gaming desk with RGB capabilities. I know for a lot of you guys, building something heavy that came from a giant box can be intimidating, but there really isn't anything to worry about, pranksters. Having the right tools and following instructions in the assembly manual is all you need to erect any desk. This desk is all black, which is perfect because I wouldn't want it any other way. The neat thing about it is that it can hold up to 330 pounds of weight, and that is all due because of its strong metal frame and great build. The tabletop's width is 45 inches. That to me is more than enough for the setup that I have in mind. And just a heads up, this will include 2 gaming monitors. Once I had gone through all the instructions, which by the way weren't a lot, this is what I'm left with. Strong and sturdy legs with Aukey branding, hooks on both ends, a cup holder for drinks. As you can see, it hangs on to my Pepsi Zero quite well. The back has openings on the surface for better cable management. And speaking of that, the bottom also comes equipped with a small basket. It too can help keep all cables and wires organized, especially power blocks. Later in this video, you'll see a full demo of the RGB functions that this desk comes with. Like I said guys, this setup will include 2 gaming monitors, so this Putterson dual monitor stand was exactly what I needed to make my vision come true. Check it out. So the box was small but heavy, and that's a good thing because when I picked up the mount, I was very impressed by its strong, solid build. It seemed very powerful but very easy to use. The instructions on the assembly manual gave me multiple options on how to use this mount. Considering my Aukey desk was sturdy enough, I went with the clamp option. This was also the easiest and simplest way to attach it on. As you will notice, it's not completely centered on the desk because of the basket below, but nonetheless the positioning of the stand was great. Hanging up my monitors was a piece of cake because of the VESA mounts. These are very adjustable. For example, if I wanted a vertical monitor, I could easily have that. The arms do come in handy with their cable management functions as well. That is a huge plus for me. At this point, all the hard work was pretty much over as the desk and monitors were in place. It was now time to bring out the cool gadgets and accessories. So on one side, we will have the Minis Forum Mini PC. We can actually game on it. It can also be used for streaming or just use it for what it is, a PC. To decorate the desk and make it more PC friendly, the Aukey RGB gaming mousepad will do the trick. I went with the all black to match the desk. Size wise, it was 35 by 15 inches. It does attract dog fur, but that's my fault for having my dog near it. The best part is the 11 LED colorful lighting effects, which you will see in action in just a bit. It has such a smooth and padded surface, exactly what I wanted. To complement the mini PC, here I've unboxed the Aukey RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. This by far has been the best keyboard I've ever used. Its design is a true beauty, with 104 keys and a really nifty dial to control media playing. This I placed on the center of the large RGB mousepad. Of course, we can't operate a PC without a mouse, and for that Aukey had me covered once more with this wired RGB gaming mouse. It's like it was specifically made for my hand. I'll admit it felt a bit intimidating with all the buttons that it came with, but I'm still happy with it. Now let's fire everything up, courtesy of Aukey. First, let's admire the sides of the desk. Check out those cool designs that light up. There's 8 lighting modes to the desk. Now look at the large RGB mousepad. The edges light up as well. I wish they were a bit brighter, but I can't complain because on top of the mousepad, we have the very versatile Aukey gaming keyboard. I'm still impressed by its ergonomic design and the fact that I can do a whole button remapping if I choose to do so. I love the keyboard as is, but I know that I can program the macros and customize the RGB patterns just to make me love the keyboard even more, even though it's already eye-catching as it is. By the way guys, in the description below I have set up links for these items as well as exclusive discounts for my fans. Next to the keyboard we have the Aukey gaming mouse. As you can see, it lights up pretty well, and it's not just a pretty face. We can reprogram the buttons and we'll have plenty of flexibility to game better and smarter. I'm definitely content with the gaming setup so far, but I wasn't done yet. You see guys, I do have more gadgets to show you, more cool things that will make any gaming setup better. So for sound, I went on Amazon and looked for some really great economical speakers that would give my setup an even better look, and these NJSJ were perfect for that. The price wasn't too bad either. For 30 bucks I made these mine. Check it out guys, well packaged with bubble wrap, and there's really not much work that goes into setting these up. Plug and play gadgets are some of my favorites. It's powered through USB and connects through a 3.5mm aux input. With 360 surround sound and 6 controllable LED modes, I couldn't ask for more for the price that I paid for this. Although I bought these for this gaming setup, these actually work great for phones and tablets as well, so they're not just for gaming. Again, in the description below I will have links for these awesome plug and play NJSJ RGB gaming speakers. Another awesome plug and play device that was a must for this setup came from Toner. It's the TC30 USB condenser microphone, and guess what? I'm gonna give away 2 of these to a couple Instagram followers of mine. So stick around after the unboxing of this epic mic. Alright then, so this microphone came packed up in this small white box that you see right here, and although I didn't expect big things at first, I knew that it would be an easy unboxing, and sure enough, once I did the flaps and opened it up, I was met with the black and gray condenser mic. It does come with a bit of paperwork such as the user guide, which is not really needed because as I stated, this is a USB plug and play type of microphone. Nonetheless guys, it doesn't hurt to have this user guide handy, which by the way is nicely put together with text and images. Inside the box there's also a 2-year warranty offered by Toner. The actual mic comes protected by foam, and there's really not much that goes into setting up the microphone. As you can see, it already comes put together. On the bottom it has a mini tripod that offers a whole lot of flexibility as far as positioning. The only downside is the height. You can't adjust it, and really it's not a big deal if you plan on having this microphone on top of your desk just like me. I really do appreciate the shock mount as it reduces noise and vibrations especially. I thought that it was cool that the pop filter was included in this kit. It easily mounts on top and makes for better quality recording. To connect this onto your computer, the USB to USB-C cable is included as well. Just plug it in and the computer should easily recognize the Toner TC30 microphone. In the odd chance that it doesn't, just follow the instructions in the user guide. It's fairly simple and easy to operate this mic. It's definitely a great alternative to the more expensive and complex mics out there. If you're a gamer and you're looking to stream or maybe do podcasts for the first time, I highly recommend this microphone. It's exactly why I got it for this setup. And so guys, as I stated, I will be giving away a couple of these to my Instagram fans. So if you aren't following me yet, check out my Instagram at real_Nextraker for a chance to win some really cool gaming stuff. So randomly, comment picker chose Nick as the winner. Congratulations brother. Now let's do the second giveaway. Congrats to Alejandro, you will be enhancing your setup with this TC30 microphone from Toner. The idea for this setup ultimately is to be able to live stream. So I was able to get my hands on this awesome Jupiter 1080p all-in-one webcam from eMeet. A good webcam is a must when streaming live video, and so I found this nifty camera on Amazon for a decent price, and it came with a great discount as well. Reason why it's called all-in-one is because it's not just a webcam, it's also a microphone and a speaker as well. I thought that the lens cap was a good look for it, and I can appreciate being able to cover my camera without messing up my settings. It connects through USB-C and can easily be placed on top of any monitor or computer. It's very versatile and gives you options as far as adjustments go. Just like the previous items that I just showed you, this is a plug-and-play device without any additional software needed. At this point, we are almost done, except that there is a monitor that isn't on, and that is because nothing's plugged into it. Well, not to worry, because to sweeten up this setup, I brought in my PlayStation 5. So yeah guys, the exact same gaming setup that you see right here, I will be giving away as long as this video reaches 50,000 likes before July 1st, 2021. The overall value of this setup, which includes 2 gaming monitors, a mini PC, a PlayStation 5, a gaming desk, as well as other accessories, is over $2,000. Notice that I did not include a gaming chair this time. Well, I'll throw it in there as well just because I love my fans. So again guys, to enter my giveaways, all you have to do is like this video and leave a cool comment below. That is it. Good luck pranksters. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you guys in my next setup video.